Do you get nervous at restaurants in America? Do you not know what to say? Today that stops. I am going to teach you restaurant English. You will be speaking the language naturally and confidently. Let's go order some delicious food together. Welcome back, everybody, and hello to my new friends. This is Dagu English. I am thrilled you guys are here. If you are new, subscribe now.
Click the bell. We don't want you missing any lessons. Our Dagu family is constantly growing, and I am so happy you are here with me, learning English. Now let's get to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about how to order food. This is going to be such a helpful lesson for everybody. Maybe you are going to America. Maybe you just want to practice. This lesson will prepare you for anything. We are going to meet two very special people today.
Alex, who is dining in a restaurant, and Jamie, who is a waiter in this restaurant. Listen closely to what they say. Later, you will get a chance to repeat some lines. This will help you remember it for life. You guys might want to get some snacks ready. This lesson may spark your appetite. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Walking into the restaurant. Our character Alex walks into a small restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you very much.
How many people are in your group?
Just one person tonight. It is only me.
No problem at all. Follow me. Here is a nice table by the window.
Oh, this table is great. Thank you very much.
Here is your menu. Take your time.
Thank you, Jamie. I appreciate your help.
I will come back in a few minutes.
Excuse me, is this table near the kitchen?
No, it is actually pretty far from the kitchen.
Oh, good. That is exactly what I want.
I understand. Some people want to be away from the kitchen.
Let's talk about some expressions we learned in this dialogue. The question, how many people are in your group, is asking how big your party is. The waiter is asking how many people would like to be at the table. You can simply answer this question by stating a number. Just one person or 2 people, please. That was a great job, everybody. Repetition practice 1. Now let's try repeating some expressions. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Welcome to our restaurant. Just one person, please. Just one person, please. 2 people, please. 2 people, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Great job, everyone. Your pronunciation is improving. Part 2. Looking at the menu.
Excuse me, have you decided what you would like to order?
Not yet. Can you help me?
Of course. What type of food do you like?
I really enjoy chicken and vegetables.
Well, then I recommend our grilled chicken salad.
That does sound delicious. What is in it?
It contains chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese.
That does sound amazing. Is it spicy?
Not at all. It is actually not spicy at all.
Great, because I do not like spicy food.
Don't worry, it is very mild.
One more question. Is it a big portion?
Yes, it is pretty big. You're going to feel very full.
Perfect. That is exactly what I need.
Great job, everybody. Let's look at some expressions used in this dialogue. Do you notice this question? What is in it? This is a great question to ask, so you know what ingredients are in a dish. Another question that was asked was, is it spicy? This is an important question to ask also. You don't want to eat something too spicy now, do you? Repetition practice 2. Let's try repeating some expressions from this part. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What is in this dish? What is in this dish? Is it spicy? Is it spicy? I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Great job, everybody. You are sounding very natural. Part 3. Ordering the main dish.
So, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am all set. I'll have the chicken salad.
Great choice. Would you like to order anything else?
Actually, can I also get some soup?
Of course. We have tomato soup and chicken soup.
I would like to try the tomato soup, please.
Perfect. So 1 chicken salad and 1 tomato soup.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
Do you have any food allergies?
Actually, yes, I am allergic to peanuts. Thank you so much for telling me.
I will tell the chef.
I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Would you like to have some bread with your meal tonight?
Yes, please. I love fresh warm bread.
Great. I will bring you some right away.
Great job, everyone. Notice the phrase, I'll have the. This phrase is used to order food. We also learned to state any food allergies. This will make sure you aren't eating foods that could be dangerous for you. Simply state, I am allergic to, and the food item. Repetition practice 3. Now let's repeat some ordering expressions. I'll have the chicken salad. I'll have the chicken salad. Can I also get some soup? Can I also get some soup? I am allergic to peanuts. I am allergic to peanuts. That is correct. Thank you. That is correct. Thank you. Great job, everybody. You really sound like a native speaker now. Part 4. Ordering drinks.
What would you like to drink?
What drinks are you offering?
We have water, soda, juice, and iced tea.
I would like a glass of iced tea, please.
Sure thing. Sweet tea or unsweetened tea?
Unsweetened, please. I am trying to be healthy.
That's a good choice. It is coming right up.
By the way, could I also get some water?
Of course. The water is always free here.
Oh, that's great to know. Thank you very much.
Would you like a lemon slice in your water?
Yes, please. It sounds very refreshing right now.
Great choice. I will be right back with your drinks.
Great job, everybody! Did you notice that water was free? Many restaurants in America offer free water or free refills for some drinks. You can ask for water by saying, "Can I get some water, please?" It is polite and easy to remember. Repetition practice 4. Let's practice ordering drinks with some expressions. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? I'll have some iced tea. I'll have some iced tea. Can I get some water, please? Can I get some water, please? That's a smart choice. That's a smart choice. Beautiful pronunciation. Keep up the awesome work. Part 5. Ordering dessert. Wait, hold on. There is always room for dessert, everyone.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Oh, of course. What do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
Everything sounds so good. It's hard to pick.
Take your time. There is no rush at all.
Okay, I'll try the apple pie, please.
Great choice. Would you like to have some ice cream with that?
Yes, please. A little vanilla ice cream would be perfect.
1 apple pie with vanilla ice cream, coming right up.
Thank you, Jamie. You are so helpful tonight.
It's my pleasure. I will be right back with your dessert.
Great job, everybody! Notice the phrase, I'll try, used here again. This is such a great phrase to use because it is so versatile. You can use this phrase for so many things, like desserts or drinks. Notice that dessert is usually ordered after the main dish. Repetition practice 5. Let's practice these sweet, tasty dessert sentences. Would you like to see the dessert menu? Would you like to see the dessert menu? I'll try the apple pie, please. I'll try the apple pie, please. That sounds perfect. That sounds perfect. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Beautiful job, everybody. You sounded amazing. Part 6. Talking about tipping. Now, let's talk about something very American, tipping. In America, most people tip between 15 to 20%. The extra money goes to the waiter or waitress.
How much should I tip you, Jamie?
Just leave me whatever you feel is comfortable.
The service was excellent tonight.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to me.
I am going to leave you 20%. You deserve it.
Wow, thank you so much. That was very generous of you.
Great job, everybody! Do you know the phrase to ask how much you should tip? How much should I tip is a great question to ask if you are visiting America. Tipping is a way to show appreciation and gratitude for good service. Repetition practice 6. Let's repeat these tipping sentences together now. How much should I tip? How much should I tip? The service was excellent. The service was excellent. That is very generous of you. That is very generous of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wonderful! You are learning real, practical English. Part 7. Asking for the bill. Alex finishes his delicious meal happily.
Excuse me, could I get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it to you right away. Here's your check. Take your time.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash and all major cards.
Great. I'll pay with my credit card then.
No problem. Here is the card machine.
Everything was delicious tonight. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful night.
You too, Jamie. See you again soon.
Could I get the check? Is very polite language. In Britain, people usually say the bill. Both words mean the same simple thing. Also remember, do you accept credit cards? This question is extremely useful when traveling. Repetition practice 7. One final practice round. Repeat after me. Could I get the check, please? Could I get the check, please?
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Everything was delicious. Everything was delicious. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful night. Amazing! You just finished a full restaurant conversation. Part 8. Ordering takeout by phone. Sometimes you don't want to sit at a restaurant. Instead, you might want to order food to take home. This is called ordering takeout or to-go food. Let's listen to a quick phone call now.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to place a takeout order, please.
Sure thing. What would you like to order?
Can I get one large cheese pizza, please?
One large cheese pizza. Anything else for you?
Yes. Also one order of garlic bread, please.
Got it. That will be ready in 20 minutes.
Perfect. What is the total price, please?
The total is $15, including tax.
Great. Thank you. I'll come by soon.
Sounds good. We will see you shortly.
Notice this useful phrase, I'd like to place an order. This is a very polite and professional way to start. Also remember, what is the total price is very useful. These phrases work for pizza, coffee, or any takeout food. Repetition practice 8. Let's practice these phone ordering sentences together now. I'd like to place an order. I'd like to place an order. Can I get a large pizza? Can I get a large pizza? What is the total price? What is the total price? I'll come by soon. I'll come by soon. Fantastic! You can now order food in so many ways. Finally, let's learn a proper polite goodbye.
Thank you again, Jamie. Everything was truly wonderful.
You are so welcome. I really enjoyed serving you.
I will definitely come back here again soon.
We would love to see you again, Alex.
Have a great rest of your evening, Jamie.
You too. Drive home safely, okay?
A warm goodbye leaves a lasting positive impression. Try phrases like, I'll come back again soon. Small, kind words make every interaction feel special. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. Many learners say, give me the chicken salad. This sounds a little rude in English, actually. Instead, say, can I have the chicken salad, please? Adding please makes your request sound much kinder. Another common mistake is forgetting to say please. Try to add please at the end of requests. Water, please, or the check, please. Also, avoid saying I want too many times. Instead, use I'll have or I would like. I would like the tomato soup, please. This small change makes you sound very polite. Native speakers really notice these small, polite details. Practice these polite phrases until they feel natural. Now, it's your turn to practice speaking alone. Imagine you are sitting in a restaurant right now. The waiter asks, how many people are in your group? Pause the video and answer out loud. Now, imagine the waiter asks, what would you like to order? Pause again and say your answer clearly. Finally, imagine asking for the check politely. Pause one more time and practice that sentence. Great job! Speaking out loud builds real confidence. The more you speak, the more natural you become. Cultural tips for American restaurants. Let me share a few extra cultural tips now. Servers in America are usually very warm and friendly. They often introduce themselves by their first name. It's normal to make small talk with your server. You can say, "How is your day going?" Portions in American restaurants are often quite large. It is very common to ask for a to-go box. You can say, "Could I get a to-go box, please?" This means you can take your extra food home. Nobody will think this is strange or rude at all. Using these small phrases makes you sound truly natural. Vocabulary review. Let's quickly review today's important words together. Menu means the list of food and drinks. Recommend means to suggest something good to try. Allergic means your body reacts badly to something. Check or bill means the paper showing your price. Refill means getting more of the same drink. Tip means extra money you give for good service. To-go box means a container for your leftover food. Server is another friendly word for waiter or waitress. Portion means the amount of food on your plate. Takeout means food you order to eat elsewhere. Try to use these words in your next conversation. Writing them down will help you remember better. Try making one short sentence with each new word. For example, I asked for a to-go box. Or try, the portion was very large tonight. This simple habit builds real, lasting vocabulary. Why this skill matters. Let me tell you why this lesson truly matters. Ordering food is often your first real conversation. It happens the moment you arrive in a new country. Feeling confident here builds confidence for everything else. Small conversations, like this one, build fluency over time. Every sentence you practice today has real daily value. You are not just learning words. You are building confidence. Great job finishing today's lesson, my friend. We learned how to greet the waiter politely. We learned how to ask about the menu. We learned how to order food and drinks. We also learned about dessert and sweet treats. We learned how tipping works in America. We also learned how to ask for the check. We even learned a few cultural tips, too. You now have real, useful restaurant English. Practice these sentences again this week, please. Real practice is the true secret to fluency. Try ordering food in English next time. You will feel much more confident now. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope this lesson helps you every day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to Dagu English for more lessons. Tell me in the comments what food you love. Also, share your favorite restaurant phrase below, please. I truly love reading your comments every single day. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Share this lesson with a friend who is learning too. Keep practicing every single day without stopping. Your English is improving more than you think. I will see you in the next lesson. This is Dagu English, saying goodbye for now. Take care and keep learning English with love. Remember, every small step leads to big progress. One conversation at a time, you will get there. I believe in you, and I'm cheering for you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, keep growing. Goodbye, my friends. See you very soon.